Welcome to another video by eCommerce Millionaires.
How single moms can start an online business without experience. Can you start an online home business without any experience as a single mom? Yes, you can. We explain the simplest procedure in this video today. Welcome to another video of eCommerce Millionaires. At eCommerce Millionaires, we always give life-changing tips to you. By the end of this video, you will have a crystal clear idea of how single moms can start an online home business without any experience. Let's get to this now. The process is not complicated. We have put it together in a simple and practical way. Watch the video until the end. Why you must start an online business. You have a busy life as a single mom. You have to look after your kids and you have to manage your current full-time job as well. No matter how busy you are, you can start an online home business and manage it during your free time. The best thing is that you can start it without any experience or a big investment. Eventually, you can develop your online home business to a point that it can replace your current full-time job. You're at home, which means you can spend more time with your kids and for the betterment of their future. Self-belief and motivation. You have to believe in yourself. You can do it. Did you know that many single moms have achieved success thanks to online home businesses? You can do the same. Spend a few hours every day on developing your new online store. Your self-belief and motivation will keep everything going consistently, and big money is the outcome of it. Finding the time to work, have discipline, and be consistent. You'll have to manage time and work according to a schedule until your online business grows. Finding time to work and setting a daily schedule will let you manage everything: your current full-time job, the new online store, and other day-to-day tasks. Let's say you spend 3 hours running the online store every day. You can do it before your kids wake up or after they go to sleep. Discipline matters here. Treat this as a business. I will develop this online business to a point that I can make a good living with it, so I can give up the current full-time job. This should be your motto. Always keep in mind that this is a real business. It's not a hobby. You're working on something that can raise your and your kids' lives to the next level. So get serious, be consistent, and allocate time for it. Then success will knock on your door. Have simple goals with a task list. You can create a weekly to-do list. The to-do list may vary with time, and your initial weekly to-do list can be this: find a product to sell or a skill you can offer. Create an online store or a website. Find out how to promote your business for free. Methods you can use to make money online. This is the step that determines it all. What are you going to provide to your customers? Is it a product or a service? Choose an online money-making method that you are comfortable with. Selling a product online. How can you determine the right product to sell? Okay, we give you 3 tips here. 1. Avoid seasonal products as you want to make it throughout the year. 2. Research the demand for your in-mind product or service. This can happen through online research within a few hours. 3. Find products and services that make your customers' lives better and solve their problems. You can sell any quality products online today. For example, handmade shoes. But don't choose products that would cost you a lot to supply to your customers. Let's get to the best online home business ideas for single moms. Use your skills for selling digital products. Digital products are intangible assets that you can sell online more conveniently than physical products. The top benefit of selling digital products is that you don't need a shipping service to deliver it to your customers. It all can happen online. Streamlinable files, videos, or even a service like online teaching are digital products. We know that you are good at something. You can turn that skill or passion into money-making. You can sell any skill online today. Let's say you're good at content writing. You can provide such skill-related services by joining networks such as Upwork and Fiverr. Endless online platforms and resources are there to make use of and master your skills today. We have a precious tip for you. You can master so many things through online training today. It can happen for free, or you can take an online course. Selling products using the dropshipping method. This is a simple business model that you can use to provide products from a third-party manufacturer to your customers. Dropshipping is a perfect choice for single moms. Easy to get started, lower overhead, and flexible location are the benefits of selling products using the dropshipping method. You can also sell a broader range of products with this business model. Affiliate marketing. Here we have another practical business model for single moms. This business model is pretty straightforward. You promote other companies' products and earn commissions for each sale. That's affiliate marketing. You can choose one or more products that you love and promote the products to others. Creating your website or online store. We have posted a few videos under this topic, so we're not going to talk about creating an online store in this video. We invite you to watch our previous videos on this topic. All done. Let's wrap it up now. As a single mom, you can start your own online business at home, and you don't need any experience for it. Believe in yourself. You can do it. Choose a product that you can manage with your busy life. Once your online home business reaches the next level, it can even replace your current full-time job. Good luck! And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe. Thanks!